Struggling to get repeat bookings from past guests? Let me show you how to use email marketing to keep your rental top of mind and your calendar. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you never miss future episodes. You'll get actionable tips, real stories, and industry secrets that help your rental stand out. The guest didn't ghost you. You just never emailed. So your guest had a great stay. They left a lovely review, maybe even took home a fridge magnet. But 6 months later, they rebooked someone else's place. Ouch. This is where email marketing steps in. It's not just for online shops and dear subscriber spam. It's your secret weapon to stay top of mind and fill your calendar and build relationships that go way beyond one night stands. Stays. In this episode, I'll show you how to build a rock solid email strategy, even if tech makes you want to run screaming. Stick around till the end because I've got a pro tip that'll save you hours every month. Email is not dead, and neither is your booking rate. If you ever thought, who reads emails anymore? Well, let me stop you right there. Your guests do. Stats show that email has an average ROI of $36 for every dollar spent. Unlike social media, you're not at the mercy of an algorithm that's more moody than a teenager without Wi-Fi. Want to dive deeper? Tune into the Vacation Rentals Resolutions podcast for real stories, tips, and interviews with top experts. Step 1. Build that list without being creepy. Start collecting emails before, during, and after your guest stay, but asked nicely. Here's how. Pre-booking. Add a checkbox to your direct booking form. Yes, I'd love to get local tips and exclusive offers. Check-in. Include a QR code in your welcome book or email that links to a guest perks page. Ask for their email in exchange. Post-stay. Follow up with a thank you message asking if they'd like to stay in the loop. Now here's a pro tip. Use tools like MailChimp or GetResponse. They're newbie friendly, even if the idea of a funnel makes your head spin. Step 2. Write emails people actually read. Think of your email like a note to a friend, not a corporate memo. If you wouldn't say it out loud, don't write it. Start with these. Welcome email. Thanks for staying. Here's a local guide for your next visit. Seasonal update. The leaves are turning red and we've got hot cider waiting. Special offers. Come back in the spring. 20% off for returning guests. Don't be afraid to inject your personality. Did a goat wander into your garden last weekend? Tell the story. These are the kinds of emails people actually forward. Step 3. Automate like a pro, even if you hate tech. Here's a time-saving nugget I promised. Automation. Email platforms let you set up automated sequences like 7 days after checkout, a thank you note, 6 months later, a birthday or anniversary promo, 1 year since last day, rebooking incentive. Once set up, they work while you sleep, or while you're dealing with that leaky tap or a panicked guest who can't find the Wi-Fi code. Want more tips? Head over to the Vacation Rental Resolutions YouTube channel for video walkthroughs and tutorials. So, what should you send? Here's a year of ideas. Start with a blank screen. Still staring at a blank screen? Here's a quick calendar of email ideas. January, New Year's update and promo. February, romantic stays feature. March, spring clean and property upgrades. April, Easter family package. May, local events calendar. June, summer activities guide. July, mid-year review and special offer. August, pet-friendly promo. September, back-to-school getaway. October, fall foliage photo contest. November, early bird holiday booking. December, gratitude letter and bonus gift for rebooking. Is this all worth it? Well, here's a juicy stat. Past guests are 5 times more likely to book again, and it's cheaper to keep them than to find new ones. Email marketing builds a long-term relationship, and you're not shouting into a void. You're whispering to your best guests, and they're listening. Don't forget to check out the Vacation Rental Resolutions website for much more. Have you sent emails to past guests before? Did it lead to a booking or crickets? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Email isn't dead. It's your best tool for repeat bookings. Build your system early and naturally. Send emails that sound human, not corporate. Automate to save time and boost results. Seasonal and personal content keeps guests engaged. Email marketing doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to be you. Real, helpful, thoughtful. Use these tips and you'll stop losing guests to someone else's fridge magnet. If you want help getting started with marketing or operations, check out the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course, which is great for both current and aspiring owners. It's packed with everything many vacation rental owners wish they had known before their first listing. And hey, we've got more where that came from. You might want to check out Engaging Effectively with Your Vacation Rental Target Market, episode 39. It pairs perfectly with today's episode. You can find it on the Vacation Rental Resolutions website. Subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And if you like what we're creating, go ahead and feel free to buy us a coffee.